Hi, welcome again to Evolv-Electric's YouTube channel. This is our idling truck series. This is a part 2 of our 3-part juice press video series. In the first video, the trucks were parallel to each other, facing the street. You could clearly see into the cabs and that there were no drivers. The second video is a little more difficult. The trucks are parked perpendicular to each other, one straight on, one from the side. And again, I try to document both trucks idling individually. And then, of course, I have to break the rules, recording 2 trucks at once and recording from across the street. But luckily, this area is pretty quiet. It's a distribution center. There's not much traffic, so I was able to get clear video. Again, if you want to learn how to be an idle warrior, you can go to our website, Evolv-Electric/idling, where I have lots of tips and tricks. I'm continually updating the page with new information and adding videos that will help with the tutorial. Please stay tuned for a tutorial series. Watch those videos if you're just getting started, or even if you're an old pro, just to get some insider tips and tricks. And then you can go and join our Google group, New York City Idle Warriors. I'll drop the links are down below, and that can get you more quick answers more quickly, as I'm on there and we have about 20 others who are constantly giving new information, asking questions. That will get you the latest data on what's going on with the idling statute and how cases are shaking out at court. Finally, please like, share, subscribe, and help our channel to grow. And thanks again for watching. This is part 2 of 3. Can I get all 5 trucks? You got to stay tuned for part 3. Now to the second video. These trucks have no drivers. They're just sitting, idling. They're not using any mechanical equipment to load or unload, or the refrigeration system. I see no one entered or exits the truck cabs, and I'll go back and confirm the engines are still on. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, like and share to help our channel grow. And below you'll find links to our website, evolv-electric.org, our Twitter and Instagram